Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my new sewing machine, that is Singer SM024, and now I will tell you about its features and about this sewing machine. So this is my electronic pedal and this is look of my sewing machine. First of all, let me tell you, this machine contains 24 different type of stitches. These are different type of stitches, and this is the regulator to change your stitch. Like this, you can change your stitch according to your requirement. For example, I want stitch number A, then you have to regulate, and this is my stitch length, which is 1 2 3 4, and like this you can increase or decrease your stitch length. So this is pedal to reverse your stitch. So as you can see, there are different type of stitches. These are some example of stitches, and there are some accessory. So this is my instruction manual, from where I can get to know about the sewing machine, that how to use and how to control your sewing machine. I have also got the cover of my sewing machine, and now I will tell you about the accessories which I have got with my sewing machine. So these are my needles. This is my needle pack, and this is my brush to clean my sewing machine. And on the back side of my brush, this is my seam ripper. And there are 3 bobbins. So there are 4 different foot which I have got. So this foot for my buttonhole foot, and this foot is to attach my button. This foot for my picot, or you can say for hemming, and this is my zipper foot. And this tool is for hem guide, and this is my cute small screwdriver. And now I will tell you about my sewing machine. These 2 spindles are for my spool, and this spindle is for my bobbin, like this, and this is for my spool. And this is my tension to fill your bobbin, like this. And here, after opening, you have to put your bobbin case like this. And now I will tell you the small parts which are over here. So this is my needle, and this is my automatic needle threader. And on back side of your machine, there is pressure foot lifter to lift up your pressure foot, like this. And this is the thread knife to cut your thread from here, Now I will show you how you can change your foot. So this is my foot and now I will change this foot. On back side of my machine, from here you can change your foot. First of all, lift your foot like this and then lift this and your foot will drop down. Now to attach your foot, place your foot on its place and then lift like this. Then automatically your foot will attached. As you can see, my foot is automatically attached. Now I will show you how you can put your thread. After attaching the plug on side of your machine, I will show you how to do stitching. I have took my rough cloth. I have selected A. The design of A is like this. Oops. The thread color is light. Hope you all can see. So this is my simple stitch, which is my A. And now I will change my regulator. So my regulator is C. That means this design, zigzag design. Now let's see the pattern. Hope you can see. I have selected E. That means this design. And this pattern is of my L. So you can use your sewing machine very easily. So this is some details of this Singer SM024 sewing machine. Hope it will help you. Must like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. And in further videos you can get more information about sewing machine, stitching and patterns. Thank you.